Have you ever wondered why Venus, our neighbouring planet, seems to dance to its own tune in the solar system? This celestial body has a peculiar quirk. It's the only planet that twirls on its axis in a direction opposite to most others. So, why does Venus insist on going against the cosmic grain? What makes this planet spin in such a unique way? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Let's unravel the mystery of Venus's backwards rotation. Before we dive into Venus, we need to understand what rotation means in the context of planets. Rotation is the spinning of a planet around its axis, much like a top spinning on its point. This spin is what gives us our day and night cycle. As the Earth rotates, different parts of it move into and out of the sun's light. So, when you wake up to a bright morning, that's because your part of the Earth has rotated into the sunlight. And when you're tucking in for the night, it's because your part of the Earth is rotating away from the sun's light into the shadow of its own bulk. Most planets, including our home Earth, rotate in a counterclockwise direction when viewed from above their north poles. This direction is often referred to as prograde rotation. Now that we've grasped the concept of rotation, let's apply it to Venus. Unlike its planetary siblings, Venus likes to stand out with a peculiar dance move. It rotates backwards. When we say Venus rotates backwards, we mean it spins clockwise on its axis, a direction known as retrograde rotation. This is a stark contrast to most other planets in our solar system, which rotate counterclockwise or prograde. Now, this odd rotation of Venus has some intriguing effects. For starters, it greatly influences the planet's day and night cycle. Venus's rotation is so slow that its day, the time it takes to rotate once on its axis, is longer than its year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun. This means that a day on Venus lasts for 243 Earth days. The question that tickles our mind is, why does Venus rotate this way? While we can't be certain, scientists have a few theories. One popular idea is that Venus originally spun in the same direction as most other planets and then slowed down. A massive celestial body might have collided with Venus, causing it to spin the other way. Another theory suggests that thick atmospheric tides, caused by the Sun's strong gravitational pull, gradually caused Venus to flip its rotation. Regardless of the reason, it's clear that Venus's past was a turbulent one. So Venus's unique dance move is not just for show, but a result of its tumultuous past. Venus's peculiar rotation is truly one of the marvels of our solar system. This celestial body, our neighbouring planet, doesn't merely follow the crowd. Instead, it dances to its own rhythm, spinning in a direction opposite to most planets in our solar system. This unique characteristic, known as retrograde rotation, sets Venus apart, making it a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. So what have we learned about Venus's rotation? Well, we've delved into what rotation means in an astronomical context. It's the spinning of a planet about its axis, much like a top spinning on a table. For most planets, this rotation follows a prograde or west-to-east direction. But Venus, the rebel of the solar system, decided to go east to west, a phenomenon we've come to know as retrograde rotation. We've also explored how this unusual rotation affects Venus's day and night cycle. Unlike here on Earth, where we enjoy the predictability of a 24-hour day, Venus's day-night cycle is anything but ordinary. In fact, its day is longer than its year. Imagine that Venus spins so slowly that it takes it longer to complete one rotation on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. And the theories about the cause of this backwards dance? They range from catastrophic collisions to gravitational interactions, each as fascinating as the other. These theories, though still under debate, shed light on the dynamic nature of our universe and the myriad mysteries it holds. In essence, Venus's rotation is a testament to the beauty of the unexpected, the power of the unknown, and the captivating allure of space exploration. It's a reminder that our universe is a place of infinite wonder and endless discovery, where even the seemingly ordinary can hold extraordinary secrets. Next time when you look up at the night sky, remember, Venus is out there, spinning in its own unique way, a silent testament to the dynamic and ever-surprising nature of our universe.